to another vlog, and today I find myself here in Bern. So we start our day just kind of walking through some of the markets, the weekend markets that they have here. And you know, just like your typical European markets, you're gonna have jewelry. There are hammocks right there, and we're just kind of walking through this. And so we are gonna leave the market now, and we are gonna head out towards Old Town. We are going to meet up with our friend Simon, who is running the Grand Prix today. So as you can tell, all the runners are making their ways in the starting rounds, and the energy is super hyped up, and we are waiting on Simon. He's supposed to start running at 2:32.
Yes!
He was not huffing and puffing. He was actually holding his ground pretty well. So Simon, way to go. And for now, we're gonna keep walking and showing you guys around the lovely city. See what I can show you guys. So let's go.
Going towards the finish line.
Yes, going towards the finish line. I'm gonna be showing you guys. Fortunately, the finish line does cross Old Town, so you guys are gonna get some pretty views. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's go. We have seen Simon, and I think we're gonna say hi to him. It's made it! Do you have any words for the camera? What was it like?
Thank you, my lovely fans. Thank you for the support.
How would you define your performance during this run?
Well, at the beginning, quite granny style, but at the end, I just sprinted forward.
Yeah, your second win.
What do you have to say to your YouTube fans? Thank you for watching.
Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next year.
Life is a winding road, no tell.
So guys, we are here with our champion. We have made it to the next level of our day. Simon is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Adrian, I almost got him killed, oh my god. And Adrian's right here, and we are in this new town. Simon, where are we at?
We are in Thun, at the Lake Thun, in the canton of Bern.
Well, there you have it. And he's actually telling us that the lake that it's behind us, guys, it actually flows directly into the city of Bern, which is where we were just at for the race. And where I showed you guys a little bit of the city. But we're gonna continue to hang out, and I'll just show you guys quick glimpses of what we're doing today. This reminds me of Lucerne.
Yeah. Here you have actually some surfers coming in and surfing on the waves.
No way, really?
Yes, but unfortunately not today.
That would have been cool to watch.
Well, it's super cool, you know.
So guys, we have left that beautiful area of Lake Thun, and overall I found it so charming, y'all. We took a stroll through the little walkways, and we get to see people riding their bikes and enjoying themselves, and it was very fun. So guys, we have made it to the next spot in our Simon personalized tour. We went from being in the city and just walking, seeing the beautiful bridge, to the beginning of the lake over here, guys. So right behind me you are seeing a bigger version of what you saw in the city, and I want to give you a glance of it. The water is so clean, y'all, and there's boats, and I'm just super excited to be bringing you all in this adventure. So Simon, we saw some people jumping in the water over here having fun. Do you think that this is better than Lake Zurich?
Of course.
Oh!
Now we can't post this video.
He is creating some beef and drama here on the channel, guys. Simon is pro Bern to the core, and Lars, if you are watching this, Lars, we know that you are Zurich to the core. But we're gonna keep moving, and I hate to tell you guys, but we are also Bern people. So it is what it is. Let me show you the rest.
I'm more of a Lucerne, so.
He just wants to be different. You know what? We can be in a team, right? Let's do this.
Being telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole.
So guys, we are on to our next spot. We are here to see the waterfalls and the view. We left the beach side, if they can be called that, and we went through a drive-through tour. I have to say, this place is really, really cool. But let's continue to climb up. Simon and Adrian are right behind me. Oh wow, it's quite steep. You don't see it coming. Let me show you. There you guys have it. Simon brought us here to get a beautiful view, and he surely did deliver. I have to tell you guys, I have been very blessed to have seen several areas in Switzerland, and I had yet to see this area, and I am blown, and it has quickly become one of my favorite areas here in the country, and it's just getting better. So let's keep moving, and who knows what we're gonna do. Let's take another drive, maybe catch some coffee, we'll see.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the...
So guys, after a 20-minute drive, after a 20-minute drive through the mountains, Simon has brought us to where?
A hidden nice spot only a few people know about.
So therefore,
Surprise.
it's a surprise. Therefore, we're not going to tell you guys where it is, but we're just going to show you the beautiful sides that it has to offer, because I have to abide by secrecy. I'm sorry, y'all, but on the bright side, you'll get to see it. So it's pretty cool. Let me show y'all. We have made it, and you know, we don't want to create high expectations like Simon said, but hang on. guys, with that amazing view that I am actually going to close out this video for today. Thank you for coming along with us on this journey, and thank you, Simon, for showing us such beautiful places. I hope that you guys enjoy this day as much as we did. Stay tuned because we have plenty of adventures coming up, because we are heading to
France.
that is where we're going next. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like, and don't forget to click that little bell, guys, and I will see you guys next time. Stay safe and happy. Bye.